Hi, I'm Alicia from Papercraft Secrets and welcome to my channel. Today I am excited to announce that I am participating in the Stress-Free Cardmaking Summit. I know you're going to love this summit because it's all about fancy fold cards and they are really popular. Everyone loves a fancy fold card. And so I wanted to share the card that I'm going to be making in this summit. I don't know if I mentioned, but to join the summit is completely free. So you don't have to pay any money and you can have access to all of the classes and the video tutorials for free. Now this is the card that I'm going to be making and it's an explosion box, but it's different because it has an Australian theme, right? So the papers, it's all digital download. So when you sign up to do the summit, you get my class for free and you also get the digital papers for free to make this card. So you don't need to buy anything. All you need is a printer and some paper. Print it all out, cut it out and follow the class to make the card. So let's have a look at the inside of the card. Now I know that wildflowers are really big right at the moment. Everyone loves wildflowers. So in this card, I have actually included Australian wildflowers. Okay, and got the bottle brush, we've got wattle. I think that's kangaroo paw, and there's like a few different other ones. I did do some research on the Australian flowers when I made the images. Plus there's like a koala image and a kangaroo image, an emu image, and a wombat image. You don't have to use those animal images if you don't want to. You can just make the flower card. Or if you are interested in using the Australian animal cards, then you can. Up to you. So we're going to go step by step through that tutorial in the class, and you should sign up, right? These summits are really inspiring. They get me really excited about card making because you're seeing lots of different people's ideas and, you're just like, oh yeah, I remember that. I made that a couple of years ago. I should do that again. Or I've never done a card like that before. I want to give it a try. So there are lots and lots of ideas and it's really inspiring. So that's why you should sign up. Now, as I said before, it's completely free. However, some people like to buy the extra pass that gives you access to the content forever, right? So you don't have to rush. So if you have the free version, then you'll just have access to the classes for 24 hours and then they're gone. So if you purchase the Ultimate Card Making Bundle, you get all of the tutorials for as long as you need them. You also get extra bonus content, like I'm giving away a whole range of printables. I think they're the steampunk printables this time. So, and every speaker is giving away something, right? So if you do choose, if you're one of those people that like to sign up for the All Access Pass, and if you sign up through my affiliate link, I've got an extra bonus printable for you, and I wanted to share that with you today. So your extra bonus printable is this really, really cute wildflowers box, okay? You follow the tutorial exactly the same way as you will in the class, but instead of the Australian theme with the box in the class, I've got a different style. It's sort of like more pastel colors. It's got your purples, your lavenders and greens. Let's have a look inside. So it's the same idea as you've got this little garden on the inside of your card and they're all standing up with acetate. So you've got these really, really little cute pastel wildflowers, and then you've got options for you can use a love heart or you can use butterflies to decorate. There's some sentiments as well. So you can turn this into a birthday card, a Mother's Day card, get well card, whatever you like. And then the lid just fits on top. So that is for if you are a person who likes to get the bundle. If you purchase it through my link, which I'll put in the description box below, then you can email me and grab this beautiful printable, bonus printable, and then you can make 2 explosion boxes. So I hope that whether you buy the Ultimate Card Making Bundle or whether you join up for free, whatever you choose, I hope you join us for the Card Making Success Summit and come along and enjoy the fun of creating all of those interactive cards. Thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I hope you have a lovely crafty day.